Hi everyone, welcome to Forex Horizon. My name is Patricia, and on today's video, we'll be diving into one of the most crucial aspects of trading. Finding those perfect entries and exit points. When should you enter the market, and then when should you exit the market? So most of the people I've been seeing, even my friends, struggling how to find the entry and exit. You don't know when to enter the market. Maybe you enter it too late, or you holding onto losses hoping that the market will be reversing, or maybe you are just entering too late, the market has moved up. When to exit if you find those perfect entries. Then on today's video, I'll be sharing all those things. Whether you are trading Forex, cryptocurrency, master renders skills can significantly enhance your trading success. So moving on to the first point, guys, understanding the market trends. The market can move into three primary directions, which is uptrend, downtrend, and the sideways. So right now I'm on TradingView. I opened Euro USD on 1 hour time frame. I have a very smooth downtrend. So here, if you take the trend line, or you follow the trend line, you will see that it has been a smooth downtrend. The market has been moving to the downside. So we first had this high here, and we had this low, the higher low, and here we had lower low, lower high, so on and so forth. So you can see here it was our next lower low, lower high. So if the market is just showing you a very clear downtrend like this one, at this point you are not looking up for any buys, because you can see that the market has given you this high and this low. So if ever you want to take a trade and you want to buy, so it is going to be a loss, because you will be trading against the trend. Especially in the beginning, when you are still trying to build up the confidence, I would not advise to trade against the trend. So that's why in most cases in trading, most of the traders that will tell you have to make the trend the friend. Right now we are just looking at the uptrend. You can see we had this low here. The market moved all the way up to this high, went back down. Comparing to this low to this one, we can see here we have a price moved again to give us this higher high, come back down here, moved all the way to the upside, give us another higher high. So you can see that from here the market has been moving to the upside. Now moving to the sideways trend. Right now looking at the sideways trend. So I will just take the drawing tool here, draw a horizontal line, just mark the support and resistance. So if you don't know about support and resistance, you can watch my previous video. I will just take a drawing tool down here and then draw the resistance and the support area. So if you look at the market here, what the market has been doing, from here it came to this area, and you can see the market has just been moving to the sideways. Then it did not even go up. Like here it went up, and if you want to buy, you don't know whether you're buying or you're selling. So you can see also from this area here. So if you want to say, okay, I'm placing a buy, what are you buying? And then if you're selling, what are you selling? Because the market is just moving in between this support and resistance area.
I have one indicator if you like it. Indicator trader, so this one might be good for you. So it is called Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner. So just click on it. Instead of you going to set up the two moving averages, the simple and exponential, you can just use the macro trend scanner. So on the macro trend scanner, you'll find it here on indicators. Then you just type macro trend scanner, which is the best one, this one, by BTC Charlie, and you will have something like this on your charts. Let me remove that support and resistance I drew before. Then you will have something like this on your charts. So whenever this moving averages crosses over and then tend to green color, which is the buy signal and the cross. So you can just be looking up for buy entries. So for these arrows, they are too much of confusing. So you can just come to the settings and click on style, disable the bull and the bear. If you're looking up later, you'll have more confirmations. You can see that the price came to this level, broke above this resistance area and then came back again, went up, has retest the same area. It could not break above, come back again for the last time, then the price shoot all the way down. So if you are looking up for sell entries, this could be a perfect entry right here. So remember that before you take the entries, you have to combine it with other confluences. Like here, see this has been a strong zone that the price faded, and what kind of a trend are we having? You can see the price has been moving all the way down. So you can just be looking up for those sell entries. Guys, remember we have discussed about the sideways trend. So this is one of the example of the sideways trend. At this point, if you are looking up for a sell or a buy, I wouldn't advise you to be looking up for the entries when the market is like this. Especially if you are a beginner trader, stay away. Because here you'll see, okay, I'm getting a buy, crossed over, but the momentum, it's not that strong, so it came back again, playing around the same area. Here you see the price shoot all the way up, broke the resistance area here, but again came back inside. So when you see that the market is moving sideways, I would just advise stay away from the market. Let me look for the buy. So if you're looking up for those perfect entries for the buy, so you can just look up here when the moving average crosses over, give you the green color, that shows the buy. So you can just go ahead and place your buy. But again, look for other confluences. Like you can see here, we have the support area here. You can see here the price did not go below this area, came back, and then look at the candlestick that it just got from here, and then the next candlestick that followed this hammer. You can see that it's the bullish engulfing and the momentum is showing strong bulls are coming in. You will wait until the moving average crosses over and then you can take your buy trade. So for instance, the moving average crossed over here, you're looking up for the next candle, and the stop loss, don't forget to set the stop loss because it's really very important. And then for the risk reward ratio, just target 1:2 or 1:2, 1:1.5, but anything that at least it's not 1:1, because you don't want to be risking $1 and then losing $1. So if you're risking something, you should be gaining double the amount or 1.5 of the amount you risk. Patience is the key in trading. It is important to wait for the right setup rather than jumping in house. Here you can see that the market is showing that the bulls are coming in. Then we have the moving average crossover. Also, everything is bullish, and you can see this candlestick here. One time it was full, and the price came here, and it even went there. This one also. And if you just opening the charts, you're coming in, and you'll be like, oh, okay, moving average crossover, and then now the price is here, and I can just jump in to the buy. Be patient. Know when to enter the trade, because I would advise you, like, if the market just open, at least wait 15 to 13 minutes to see the direction of the market before you can decide to take a trade. Because let's say maybe the market just open here and then showing that the bulls are in charge. So the next thing, before you know it, the bears are the one in control and the price drops all the way down. We are looking for the perfect entries and exits. Look what is the candlestick that is formed, and then is there any support or resistance. So I'll just move this horizontal line up to here. Just for example, you can see we had this area here, and this area here. So the market here wanted to break above this resistance area, but it couldn't. So it went back in. So this is what we want to see when we are looking for the perfect entries. You can see here the price failed to break this resistance. It's showing that it's a strong resistance zone. So we are expecting for the price to be dropping. So do not just jump in. Here we have the moving average crossover. You will wait for that moving average crossover. Now you will be looking up for your entries here and your stop loss above the resistance zone. And remember, we are looking up to risk at least 1% to get 1.5 or even 2%. So if your risk reward ratio is 1 to 2, then you could still make money, or 1:5. So when the price reaches here, then you'll still be in profits. So if you see that the market is moving in your direction, just trade your stop loss and hold on trades. This was for the entries. And then looking for the exits. So then when is the right time to exit in the market? So let's say example, you have taken this same trade here. Let's say you have taken this sell trade here, and then our target profit was just 1:5. 1:5 risk reward ratio. So when you see that you are into profit, just trade your stop loss and then hold onto those trades. So then when is the right time to exit the trades? Example, you can see here the momentum of the candlesticks. They are very strong. The candlesticks are very long. This one is long, and then it's showing that the bears are still in control. The seller band strong. You can just hold, and then also our moving average, when you're using macro trying to scan out, it can show you that the direction of the market is still bearish, so no need to panic. But then the moment you see the price coming to form this candlesticks like a very small one, and it's just move up, down, like, I don't know what is happening. Exit, get out, because you see it's forming a small candlesticks. Get out, just exit the trade. That's it for today's video. Remember, combining different strategies and being patient are crucial for finding the perfect entry and exit. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel so that we can keep on making more videos. We keep growing the channel. I wish you all the best in your trading journey. Until we meet again on the next video.